Hi, boys and girls. For math today, I have a problem for us to think about. So, I was talking to a friend of mine who is thinking about giving a fancy black and white dinner party. She isn't yet sure how many people she's going to invite, but she made a sketch of the table. Right here is her sketch, and asked us to help her figure out some different ways for the guests to sit at the table. She doesn't want to leave any empty seats between people. This is pre-COVID type dinner party. And she also said that the first person on either side of the black table needs to sit in the chair closest to the food, which is right on this end, so they can pass the dishes to all of the guests. So here's the table, long table like a cafeteria table. And she's decorated it with maybe a black tablecloth and a white tablecloth. How many plates are there on the dinner table? Take a look, see what you observe. I see 5, 10, 15, 20. There are 20 plates on the dinner table. How many white plates are there? How many white plates? 5 and 5. I know my double fact. That is 10. There are 10 white plates. How many black plates are there? Well, if there's 10 white, how many black are there? 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. How many circle plates are there? I look straight across. I see 10 circle plates. And how many square plates are there? You're right, there are 10. Now, I want us to think about all the ways the guests at this dinner party could be seated around the table if 5 people were coming to dinner. Only 5. Remember, the food is down here. You might be thinking 3 people could sit up here and 2 people could sit down here. Remember, we need to have people right next to the food so they can pass it down. If 5 people came, what else could we do besides 3 and 2? We could do 4 and 1. What else could we do? If 5 people came to the party, how could they sit at the table? Maybe you thought 5 on one side and 0 on the other. If we were to write an equation for all the ways to represent those 5 people at the party, let's start with the one you see right now. We see 5 circle plates, 5 on the top row, plus 0 on the bottom row, and that equals 5. For the seating pattern where we had 4 people on the top with the circle plates, we would write 4 plus how many below? That's right, 1. 1 square plate, we still have 5. And for the arrangement where there is 3 people on top and 2 on the bottom, we would write 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 circles, and 2 squares. Okay. Now think about some different arrangements at the table if 9 people were coming to dinner. If there were 9 guests coming to this dinner party, how many different ways could we arrange them? I'm reading some of your minds, and I'm seeing this arrangement out there. Did anybody think of that one? And an equation for that would be 5 and now let's give them a shape. 5 circle plus 4 square equals how many in all? 9. Let's think about a different way. What if we did this? Let's write an equation to represent this arrangement. First, let's talk about all the circle plates. So I see 5 and 1 more. That would be 6 circle plus how many square? 3 square equals 9 plates. Okay. But I see something else. I see it in a different way also. I see the number of white plates. I see 8 white plus 1 black. That also equals 9 plates. Now, that's all the thinking we're going to do together on the video, because attached to this activity, there's a template for you to complete the around the table sheet. And I'm going to try to move my whole self. I didn't have the sheet right on hand to show you what it looks like. So we're going to give a little tour of the room. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Moving over to my teacher area. And I apologize, I didn't have it out and ready. It's over here. All right, friends, thanks for being patient. This is the around the table sheet that you will work on your own to imagine the guests at the dinner party. It says page 1 of 2. You're not going to do the back, just do the front. And you need to show 3 different ways to seat different amounts of people. There's white plates plus black plates equals total plates. Then you need to show it in a different way, like we just did. Round plates plus square plates equals total plates. So see if you can draw out the dinner table like you saw in the video. And I will show that one more time so we can get that drawn out. So draw out your table to help you complete the problems. All right. Thanks for joining me, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.